Hello viewers, in this video we are going to talk more on linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.4, that is how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variables by the method of elimination. Okay, in the previous video, if you are going through, if you have gone through, we have solved up to question number 4. Now in this video, next question onwards, we are going to solve. Okay. So let's take question number 6. Okay, in the sixth question, the two equations given are x minus y is equals to 3, that is given as equation number 1, and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 6, that is given as equation number 2. Now we need to solve these two equations, this two pair of linear equation in two variables by the method of elimination. So before elimination, we must see how to eliminate it. Look at, there is y by 2 in second equation. In the first equation it is minus y. If we can make it y by 2 here also by dividing first equation by 2 individually, all these terms must be divided by 2. Then what will happen? This will become x by 2 minus this will become y by 2 and this will become 3 by 2. Okay. अगर आप लोग इस इक्वेशन 2 को इक्वेशन 1 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हो तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, x बाई 2 माइनस y बाई 2 इक्वल्स टू 3 बाई 2. ठीक है. और इस तरीके से ये y बाई 2 नेगेटिव होगा और ये y बाई 2 जो कि पहले से ही पॉजिटिव है, तो हम इसको बड़ी आसानी से एलिमिनेट कर पाएंगे. तो लेट्स डू. So let us take equation 1 and let us divide it by 2. If you do so, then all these terms are individually divided by 2. That means x by 2 minus y by 2 is equals to 3 by 2. Let us make it as equation number, a new equation we have obtained. So equation number 3. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Now, let us compare these two equations. We have here positive y by 2 and here negative y by 2. And if we add them, then positive y by 2 and negative y by 2 will be cancelled each other. So let's see how to do that. So अभी हमें ये क्या करना है? We need to add them. Equation 2 plus equation 3. Left hand side part of the equation 2 will be added with the left hand side part of the equation number 3. That means x by 3 plus y by 2. This part is the left hand side part of the equation 2 will be added with the left hand side part of the equation 3. That is x by 2 minus y by 2. This side it is 6 plus 3 by 2. 6 plus 3 by 2. Okay, right hand side part of equation 2 will be added with the right hand side part of the equation 2. Right hand side part plus right hand side part. And let us now remove the bracket. If we do so, then it will be x by 3 plus y by 2 plus x by 2 minus y by 2. There will be no change in sign. And if you add them, it will be, if you add them, then it will be, the denominator is 2, 2 6 times is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 2 6 times is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, so it is 15 by 2. Is that okay? Now look at carefully, there is positive y by 2 minus negative, that means negative y by 2. Positive y by 2 and negative y by 2 will cancel each other. And finally, you will get x by 3 plus x by 2 will be equal to 15 by 2. Clear? If you add them, it will be, 3, 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? Yes, it is nothing but 6. So 3, 2 times 6. you can cross it. 2x plus 3x, it will be 15/2. All of you know how to solve this. आप सभी को पता है ये कैसे solve करना है. So if you add it, then it will be 5 times x by 6. It is 15/2. Now let us keep x here, and 5/6. If you transfer that this side, that the other side of the equal sign, then it will become 6/5. 5/6, when you transfer, it will become 6/5. That is 15/2 into 6/5. 6, 5 3 times, and 2 3 times. Ultimately, you get the answer as 9. That means x is equals to 9. Therefore, x is equals to 9. If you now substitute the value of x in any one of the above equation, whichever you find easier. Let's see. Equation 1, I think it is the easiest one. If you substitute the value of x here and solve it, then you will get the value of y. Let us do so. So equation 1 is easier one. If you substitute the value of x here and solve it, you will get value of y. So let us do so. For which I have written putting x equals to 9 in equation 1. What was equation 1? Equation 1 was x minus y equals to 3. Now I am not going to write x, but instead I am going to substitute its value as 9, as we have already obtained. Then minus y is equals to 3. Okay, now let us shift this negative y the other side, and 3 let us bring this side, or better, I think 3 we are bringing this side, so positive 3. When comes this side, it will become negative 3, and negative y, when it is shifted that side, it will become positive y. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So y equals to 6, y equals to 6. These are the two solutions, value of x and y we obtained. Therefore the solutions are the solutions are 9 and 6. The first value represent the value of x, and the second value of the ordered pair represent the value of y. Okay, now how to find out, how to check whether your solution is correct or not, the value of x and y are correct or not, how to check it? It's a very simple, my dear students. You take any one of the given equations. Which were the given equation? The first equation was x minus y is equals to 3, and the second equation was x by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 6, isn't it? So if you substitute the value of x and y in the left hand side of the equation and solve it, then you must get the left hand side of the equation. Right hand side of the equation. Once again, I'm showing you. Say the first equation implies, I'm writing how this is just a verification. Okay, if asked in the examination, then only you do, or else if you have doubt in your solution, or if you want to check your solution whether your solution is correct or not, then only you do it. Otherwise you need not to do it. Okay, this is not part of the part of the solution. Okay, just I'm showing you how to check your solution whether it is correct or not. So equation 1 implies, I'm writing the left hand side part of the equation 1, or equation 1 left hand side. What was the left hand side part of the equation 1? It was x minus y, and the right hand side part was 3. So let us substitute the value of x and y here and solve it, and we will get the right hand side part or not. Let's see. X value was found as 9, so I am substituting in the place of x, I am substituting 9, and y value was found as 6. I am substituting the value of y as 6, and if you subtract it, then you will get 9 minus 6 is 3. And exactly 3 is the right hand side part of the equation. That is, okay, right hand side part of the equation. So this way we are solving and we are verifying, and we come to know that our solution is correct, because after substituting the values of x and y in the left hand side part of the equation, we obtain the right hand side part. Okay, that means our solution is correct. Now let us solve the next question. Look at this is the next question, question number 7. Okay, and how to solve this equation? It's a very interesting one. We have 8 by x minus 9 by y is equals to 1. We have made it as equation number 1, and this is 10 by x plus 6 by y is equals to 7. So I have made it as equation number 2. After this, what to do? Let's see. Let us observe these equations carefully. Okay, look at, there is 6 and there is 9. Okay, coefficient of y is 1 by 9, that is 9. Okay, let us see. 1 by y is 9 and 1 by y is, this is 6. If we do something, if we can make it 3, and if we can make it 3, then very easily it would cancel. That means minus 3 by y and plus 3 by y would cancel. How to make it now 3? Okay, if you can divide equation 1 by 3, अगर हम इक्वेशन 1 को 3 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो ये 3 से अगर 9 डिवाइड हो जाए तो 3 हो जाएगा, और इसको अगर हम 2 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो 2 से डिवाइड हो गया तो ये भी 3 हो जाएगा. सो इस तरीके से हमारा जो है कोएफिशिएंट सेम होने पर इसको हम कैंसिल कर. सो लेट्स बिगिन. इक्वेशन 1 इज टू बी डिवाइडेड बाय 3. सो व्हाट टू डू एंड हाउ टू डू? इक्वेशन 1 इज टू बी डिवाइडेड बाय 3. So what will we get? 8 by 3x minus, if you divide it then it will be 9 by 3y is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, so let's do one more line. Then it will be 8 by 3x minus, if you divide it then it will be 3 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Let us name it as equation number, a new equation as equation number 3. Okay, and equation 2 is to be divided by 2. Equation 2 is to be divided by 2. अगर आप लोगों को इसी लाइन में लिखना है तो लिख सकते हो. मैंने यहाँ पे 2 ही लाइन लिख दिए हैं. जरूरी नहीं कि हर कोई लिखे both the lines. You can write this line directly if you can divide it orally. क्या करना है? इक्वेशन 2 को भी 2 से डिवाइड करना है. अगर कर देते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? 10 by 2 times x प्लस ये 6 by 2 times y, 6 by 2 times y is equals to 7 by 2, 7 by 2. And finally you will get, solving one more line, it will be 5 by x plus it will be 3 by y is equals to 7 by 2. Let us name it as equation number, a new equation as equation number 4. Equation number 4. Okay, now let us add these two equations, equation 3 and equation 4. Let us add them. If we add them, then definitely this negative 3 by y and positive 3 by y would go cancel. Okay, so let us add them. Equation 3 plus equation 4. Equation 3 plus equation 4 will give us, what is equation 3 here? Look at, that is 8 by 3x minus 3 by y plus this is 5 by x plus 3 by y. That side it will be 1 by 3. This will be 5 by, sorry, 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2. If you add them, let us check we have added the left hand side part of equation 3 and 4 or not. 8 by 3x, 8 by 3x minus 3 by y plus 5 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 1/3 plus 7 by 2. Okay, that's okay. Now let us remove the bracket. Once we remove the bracket, it will be 8 by 3x minus 3 by y plus 5 by x plus, there will be no change in sign after removing the bracket. If there is minus sign, then sign would change. Okay, after removing the bracket, the sign would change. But if there is plus, when there is plus, there is no change in the sign after removing the bracket. So 5 by x and it is 3 by y. Okay, if you add them, then what is the LCM? It will be 6, 2 and 21. 2 plus 3 7 times is 21. Okay, if you observe the equations properly, this line properly, you will get this is negative 3 by y and this is positive 3 by y. They would cancel each other, and finally cancel each other means if you add them you will get 0. Then 8 by 3x and 5 by x, if you add them, what is the LCM in this case? 3x is the LCM. This is 8 plus 3, 5 times is 15. 15x, sorry, x will not go there. It will be 23 by 6. If you add them, it will also be 23 by 3 times x. It is 23 by 6. Okay, let us shift this x that side. This x we are going to shift this side. Okay, and the other part we are going to shift this side. Okay, then if it comes this side, it will reverse. We are going to write its reciprocal. Its reciprocal will be multiplied with this part. Then what will it be exactly? 23 by x, sorry, by 3 will remain, by 3 multiplied with its reciprocal, that is 6 by 23, and x is shifted that side, x is left here. Got it? So very easily this 23 can be cancelled. This 3 2 times is 6. So x value is found as 2. After finding the value of x, our next task is to find out the value of y. As we have, this is equation number 2. In this equation, if you substitute the value of x in its proper place and solve it, you will get y value very easily. Even in equation 1 also, if you substitute, the value of y can be calculated easily. I prefer this equation number 2. Let us substitute value of x here and solve it to get the value of y. Look at the equation properly. 10 by x plus 6 by y is equals to 7. Here in place of x, we are going to substitute its value, which is found as 2. So I am writing as now equation 2 implies 10 by x was there. In place of x, I am going to substitute its value. So 10 by 2 plus 6 by y was there is equals to 7. Now 10 by 2, all of you know it is 5. जैसे कि आपको पता ही है ये 5 होता है, तो ये 5, this is 5. Then 6 by y is equals to 7. Let us shift this 5 the other side. Then it will be 6 by y is equals to 7 minus 5. ठीक है? So 6 by y, 7 minus 5, all of you know it is 2. Let us shift them. Once again, we will do the same. इस y को हम उस ओर शिफ्ट कर देंगे. ऐसे शिफ्ट अगर करोगे तो ये सीधे ऊपर की ओर जाएगा. मतलब इस 2 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब 1 है, हमेशा रहता है. तो it will go with the position of the numerator. Okay, and 2 will come here in this place. Alternando बोला जाता है जिसको. तो 6 by 2 हमने ये शिफ्ट कर दिया और ये y चला गया आगे ऊपर. So 6 by 2 is 3. So y equals to 3. So in this way we get the solution of this equation. That is, therefore the solution क्या होगा? x हमें क्या मिला था? x2 मिला था और y का वैल्यू जो है वो 3 मिला था. तो 2 and 3. Okay, so with this we have finished the equations. Question number 1. Now we are going to start question number 2, which are word problems. So there are the questions. Let us see what is the question. What the question says: form the pair of linear equations in the following problems. हमें सबसे पहले we need to form linear equations, pair of linear equations. After that, and find their solutions. If they exist, बोला है, we have to check also whether the solutions exist or not. If they exist, we need to find out the solution by the elimination method. Okay, सबसे पहले हमें कंडीशंस दिया होगा यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस में, दो कंडीशंस होंगे, दो कंडीशंस से फ्रॉम दिस टू कंडीशंस वी नीड टू फॉर्म टू इक्वेशंस, टू equations, linear equation in two variables. After that we have to check whether the solutions exist or not. After we come to know that if the solution exists, then we have to solve them by the method of elimination. So this is the simple task. Look at, and you are going to enjoy the task. Now the first question, let's see what is there. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. पहला कंडीशन, अगर आप क्या करते हो, न्यूमरेटर के साथ 1 ऐड करते हो, add 1 and subtract 1. If you add 1 and subtract 1, add 1 किसके साथ, to the numerator, subtract 1 किसके साथ, from the denominator, then the fraction reduces to 1. तो fraction क्या हो जाता है, 1 हो जाता है. That is the first condition. And the second condition, it becomes 1 by 2. The fraction would become half. That means ये fraction जो है वो half बन जाता है. कब होगा, जब 1 is added. Okay, when only 1 is added to the denominator part, then the fraction would become half. Now the question is, what are the values of x and y, and what is the fraction? Okay, what is the fraction? That is the question. We need to find out the fraction. So let's begin. यहाँ पे हमें जो है फ्रैक्शन का पता नहीं, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर कुछ हो सकता है, फ्रैक्शन तो क्या है हमें पता नहीं. अननोन क्वांटिटीज आर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, आप डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो लेट द फ्रैक्शन बी. लेट्स बिगिन. तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है हैव रिटन लेट द फ्रैक्शन बी. लेट द फ्रैक्शन बी. वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज द न्यूमरेटर, व्हाट इज द डिनोमिनेटर. सो instead of writing let the denominator be x, numerator be y, and then writing the fraction will be x by y, we are writing direct the fraction. Let the fraction be x by y. यहाँ पे आपको न्यूमरेटर x है वो देखने से पता चल जाता है, डिनोमिनेटर y है देखने से ही पता चल जाता है. सो यू नीड नॉट टू राइट लेट द न्यूमरेटर बी x, डिनोमिनेटर बी y, एंड देन फ्रैक्शन बी x by y. You need not 3 lines, you need not to write only 1 line, that is let the fraction be x by y. ठीक है. अभी कंडीशन हमें क्या बताता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट कंडीशन हमें बोला गया है कि अगर व्हेन वी ऐड 1 टू द न्यूमरेटर, अभी ये जो है फ्रैक्शन x by y, इसका न्यूमरेटर है x, डिनोमिनेटर है y, वी नीड टू ऐड 1 विद द न्यूमरेटर. इफ वी ऐड 1 टू द न्यूमरेटर एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम द डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, देन द फ्रैक्शन reduces to 1, the fraction would become 1. So this is the first condition. If you add 1 to the numerator, numerator के साथ 1 add करो और denominator के से 1 subtract करो, तो क्या बन जाता है, fraction would become 1. So let us now cross multiply this. If you cross multiply, then it would become x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू, ये पूरा का पूरा y माइनस 1 जो है उधर चला जाएगा, और फाइनली यू विल गेट y माइनस 1 इंटू 1 होल इंटू 1. होल इंटू 1 विल गिव द सेम, दैट्स वाई वी आर नॉट राइटिंग. ओके, एंड लेट अस ब्रिंग एलिमिनेशन मेथड बोला गया है, तो वी वुड राइट लाइक दिस, दिस y विल बी शिफ्टेड दिस साइड, ओके, एंड दिस पॉजिटिव 1 वुड बी शिफ्टेड दैट साइड. सो y अगर इस ओर आ गया है तो x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू ये पॉजिटिव 1. इफ यू शिफ्ट इट दैट साइड, द अदर साइड ऑफ द इक्वल साइन, इट विल बिकम नेगेटिव 1, एंड ऑलरेडी देयर एग्जिस्ट नेगेटिव 1. नाउ what will be the equation? The structure of the equation will be x minus y is equals to minus 2. This is, suppose, the first equation. We have named it as equation number 1. Then in the second condition it is said that, second condition में बोला गया है, if you add 1 to the denominator, अगर denominator के साथ 1 add करते हो, then the fraction would become half. Also I am writing, also the fraction was x by y. Okay, we have considered that the fraction is x by y. Now what to do? With the denominator we are adding 1, and when 1 is added to the denominator, that is y plus 1, the fraction would become 1 by 2. Okay, that is half. This is the second condition. If we add 1 to the denominator, the fraction would become half. After that, let us cross multiply this. If you cross multiply this, then it will be 2 और x multiply हो जाएंगे cross wise. So 2 times x, it would be 2 times x, and 1 के साथ y plus 1 ये पूरा जो है ये multiply हो जाएगा, और finally it would give you y plus 1. Let us shift this y this side. So 2x minus y, it is positive y, and if you bring it this side, it would become negative y, is equals to 1. Let us name it as equation number 2. Clear? Now what to do? Let's see, in the previous equation we have negative y this side, and this equation we have negative y this side. Very easily, if we subtract the second equation from the first equation, very easily y will be eliminated. See, sign before y is negative, here also sign before y is negative, both are same sign, and when there is same sign we have to perform subtraction. I have already said in the previous videos. So this is equation 1 minus equation 2. How to do? Left hand side part of equation 1 minus right hand side part of the equation 1. That means x minus y left hand side part minus the right hand side part is, or left hand side part of the equation 2 is twice x minus y is equals to, now right hand side part of the equation 1 is minus 2, and we need to subtract, minus the right hand side part of the equation 2 is 1. ठीक है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पार्ट से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पार्ट माइनस किया, और राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट से राइट हैंड साइड माइनस किया. अब we जो है next step we need to remove the bracket, and once we remove the bracket, there is minus sign, so this sign will be changed, it will be altered. So x minus y, ये remove करो bracket, तो ये minus 2 times x minus minus plus हो गया, और ये y ये हो जाएगा आपका minus 3. Now observe the equation carefully, you will get ये पॉजिटिव y है और ये नेगेटिव y है. इफ यू observe it carefully, there is positive y and negative y. You can cancel positive y and negative y. तो रह क्या गया आपके पास? x minus 2 times x, negative 2 times x, minus 2 times x, and x. This together you will give, it will give minus x, and that side it is minus 3. So minus x and minus 3. So negative negative cancel हो गया, and the value of x is 3. So we x का value, we have obtained the value of x as 3. Now what to do? The same, we have to substitute the value of x in any one of the given equations. That is, given equations means we have two equations with us. That is, first equation as x minus y is equals to minus 2, and the second equation is twice x minus y is equals to 1. Any one of these two equations, when we substitute the value of x and solve it, we'll get the value of y definitely. And I think the equation 1 is better since it is simpler. So let us substitute the value of x in equation 2. So we can write direct equation 2, equation 1 implies, sorry, it was equation 1. Equation 1 implies it was x minus y. So what is x? X is 3, we obtained already. Y, what is y? We don't know, we are going to find out, and this is minus 2. Now let us shift this positive 3. In front of 3 there is no sign. No sign means there is always positive sign, and this 3 is shifted that side, it will become negative 3. So minus y will be minus 2 minus 3. तो करना क्या है, ये नेगेटिव y इज इक्वल्स टू ये हो गया -5 माइनस माइनस दोनों ओर से कैंसिल कर दो, तो y इज इक्वल टू 5. So y value is found as 5. What was our task? Our task was to find out the fraction, and we have obtained x and y. So we will write the fraction now. Therefore the fraction is, therefore, what was the fraction? Okay, the considered fraction, the assumed fraction was x by y. What is the value of x obtained? X value was 3 and y value is 5. So the fraction will be x by y, that is 3 by 5. Okay, now let us check whether our solution is correct or not. The condition was if you add 1 to the numerator, now fraction obtained is 3 by 5. If you add 1 to the numerator part and subtract 1 from the denominator part, then it would become, that was the first condition given, okay, 4 by 4, and 4 by 4 is equals to 1. Okay, and the condition was also given if you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. It was given, so we obtained 1. That means our solution, that is 3 by 5, is correct. This is the just verification part. Okay, so in this way we have solved 2 word problems also. I hope you have understood, and let us try to solve few more questions in the next video. Till then, you practice and solve these questions.